Hello, Santa. All the girls and boys who are all so excited. That was Santa.
And this will be my 33rd year as the man with the beard.
My God, well done.
And Joseph, will you help Mary just in case she drops the baby?
The Christmas spirit, it's something you have to feel. And most of the time I don't. Sorry.
I can't say I dislike Christmas, but it's a huge fuss for 24 hours.
The jacket stuffed.
Yes, please.
Cards, wrapping paper, a holly wreath.
But everything is much more expensive this year.
I just put up the Christmas tree to fit in with everybody else. If I didn't put up a tree, it would be just like another time to me now.
Did you know Christmas is cancelled? It's because I told Santa I was good and he died laughing.
Loneliness is one thing, but being invisible and forgotten is something else.
I do start crying when they singing Christmas carols. I just want to be left alone.
I don't know how I'm going to get through Christmas.
For me, Christmas will never be the same again. But the important part is time.
The kindness of people is the Christmas message.
We put this percent here. He might give you a girlfriend or something.
As hard and all as things are, we're finding the joy in every day.